4 important uses of isopropyl alcohol. What is isopropyl alcohol? Before learning about any isopropyl alcohol uses, you should know some of the basic characteristics of this chemical. Isopropyl alcohol is a clear, colorless liquid with a chemical formula of C3H8O. It contains an isopropyl group, which is a carbon atom with one hydrogen atom and two methyl groups, one carbon with three hydrogens bonded to it. This group is attached to a hydroxyl group, which is an oxygen atom bonded to a hydrogen atom. The hydroxyl group is what makes the chemical alcohol. This blog will discuss 4 isopropyl alcohol uses, some of which are common, others of which are not so common. Read on to discover what they are. 4 isopropyl alcohol uses you should know about. Number 1. Household cleaner. Perhaps one of the most popular isopropyl alcohol uses is as a household cleaner. Isopropyl alcohol can be used to cleanse windows, blinds, electronics, dry erase boards, sinks, toilets, and numerous other surfaces. However, it should not be used on wood or leather, as it may damage these surfaces over time. Number 2. General disinfectant. Disinfecting surfaces is one of the best isopropyl alcohol uses, thanks to its antiseptic properties. It can be used to wipe down items such as thermometers or nail scissors to prevent the growth of bacteria. Number 3. Deodoriser. Some isopropyl alcohol uses are not widely known, such as this one. To deodorize shoes, simply spray the soles with isopropyl alcohol and set them out in the sun to dry. Isopropyl alcohol can even be used in a pinch as a deodorant. Just avoid using it immediately after shaving, as it may sting. Number 4. Stain remover. It's always a nuisance when a pin suddenly begins to leak, leaving a dark stain on your shirt's pocket. Don't toss your shirt in the trash quite yet. Isopropyl alcohol can aid in removing stains. Simply cover the stain with a cotton pad soaked in isopropyl alcohol. You may need to change the cotton several times as it soaks up the ink. This is another great example of one of the lesser known isopropyl alcohol uses. Are you interested in purchasing isopropyl alcohol? There's a multitude of isopropyl alcohol uses in addition to those covered in this post, making it a helpful chemical to have on hand. If you're looking to buy isopropyl alcohol, you've come to the right place. Bulk Chemicals To Go offers isopropyl alcohol in bulk sizes. Plus, our customer service team is available to answer any questions about isopropyl alcohol uses or any of the other chemicals we offer. For more information, please contact us. We look forward to hearing from you soon.